Hey folk, thank you so much for joining. Today's video is going to be very short, and it's on on a topic that I mentioned toward the end of my last video too, and I'm going to explain you why we had to do masking. Okay, it's a subtle thing, but I believe it's better that we clarify all the concepts because this is an important concept that's going to be used again and again. Okay, so I'm going to use the same example that I did it last time. Okay, this is the instruction that we're trying to implement, and it's the offset generation or the immediate generation. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to take our offset bits at here and here. Okay, and they need to be combined. All right, then they make the full offset. Okay, all right. So, for example, in this case, this is 8, so kind of 8 is distributed around. So, first of all, the first on the left side, we took 31 to 25, while in hardware we will just connect it, but in Python there's a little difficulty. We have to be careful. So, in order this number over here, we need to look at on its own. You know, if we look at this complete number, like let's say if it's 980 there, right? If this is complete bit, if it's 980, just coming up some random things. Okay, this is not 980, right? Its position is whatever the 10 power. Okay, so 980 million. That's what it is, not 980. So to make it a number on its own, we need to bring it down. Okay, and then once we bring it down, in the case of this one, since our number was maximum here, there wasn't anything here. In Python, this might be saved in 32 bits, 64 bit, and more bits. Okay, but in this case, we are safe because we don't have anything here. So when we move it here, most likely we'll have zeros there. So in the case of 31 to 25, it's still better to do ANDing, but I think if we don't do the AND or we don't do the masking operation, it's still fine. What we really want to make sure that this number is, everything else is 0, and only these values are from 0 to 6. Make sense? Now in the case of this, where we have to pull 11 to 7 on this, right? Let's imagine we will have these bits here too. When we shift it to the right by 7, these number of bits will move here. So if you don't do the masking, this number will not be whatever this number, it will have bits over here, so it will end up becoming a different number. So you really want to make sure that finally you only retain this, mean these are the values here. What is 1 is 1, is 0 is 0. Right? That's why we can do AND. Rest of them are 0. Understand? Okay. I hope this is clear, because for this one is definitely masking is important because 1 is 0. This one I think will still work. Just wanted to clarify this concept. Hope this is good. You already understand the concept of shifting, right? I already explained that you really need to shift it in order to understand that as a number. All right. Later on, what we do is, once this number will be the upper side, these are zeros, and these bits, we want to keep only these bits. These are really brought at the lower side over here. Only these bits. Okay. Right? We do it as a number manipulation. We don't have only certain bits. This can be, because we are really looking at the variable, their digital numbers, their decimal values, and kind of playing with those ones. So even if you might think, okay, you're bringing only those bits, what's the point of keeping other ones? But you know, it's not like this. Hardware, it will be like this, so we will not have this difficulty. But in software, we are, whatever the value becomes, we take it as a number.